workshop supplies, equipped in the best possible way. GEDORE automotive tools and the right equipment turn a garage into a functional, efficient workshop. From wheel fitting, work on the engine and interior to bodywork, workshop equipment from GEDORE means quality without compromise. The quality promise applies not only to the simple cruciform spanner, but also to the wheel sockets, balancing and brake spring pliers, assembly levers, spanners and inserts made from high-quality materials. Parallel to the hand tools, GEDORE has developed the At Work series, multifunctional intercombinable belts, bags, holsters and even backpacks and tool waistcoats offer freedom of movement. Mechanics and assembly gloves and knee pads complete the range. GEDORE workshop supplies for a perfectly equipped workshop.